In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to release your plantar fascia. So all you need to do this is to have a ball. I'm using a massage ball here, but you can use anything of a similar size and shape. So when we're releasing through the bottom of the foot, in this technique that I'm going to show you, we're going to try and find the tender points of the bottom of the foot. So I'm going to come into a kneeling position. I'm going to put this ball down. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to very gently just roll the ball over the bottom of my foot. And I'm looking here to see if there are any points that are more tender than others. So I've found my most tender point here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to almost imagine I'm trying to press my foot down into the ball. And I'm going to press until I feel that 7 out of 10 discomfort. Once I feel that, I'm going to keep that 7 out of 10 discomfort. And now I'm going to point the toes up for 4 seconds. And now I'm going to point the toes down for 4 seconds while still trying to keep that pressure through the point of the foot that I'm targeting. Coming back up with the toes. And coming back down for 4 seconds. Each time you do up and down, that's 1 repetition. And you would repeat this for your desired amount of sets and repetitions. Of course, you can go through various different trigger point parts of the foot until you feel your release.